Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically comment on Instagram posts using a powerful automation tool. With this method, you can boost engagement, save time, and manage multiple Instagram accounts with ease. Here you can add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. Each account should be attached with a proxy to simulate different IP addresses, making your interactions more secure and human-like. Next, go to the viral marketing section and choose seeding posts. This feature allows your accounts to watch a video like the post and automatically comment all in one smooth process. Paste the link of the Instagram post you want to engage with. Then prepare your comments. One per line, these will be used randomly across different accounts. Set the watch time, for example, from 20 to 40 seconds to simulate real user behavior. After everything is set, select your accounts. Press start and let the software do its job. It will open its own browser. Log in and start watching the video, liking it and commenting as you configured. This method makes your actions look authentic and avoids detection by Instagram's algorithms. Each account behaves differently thanks to proxies and custom timing. Let's see it in action. You can see the browser open, proxy in use, and the post being watched. Then it automatically comments and likes the post. This is perfect for influencers, marketers, or anyone who wants to grow Instagram engagement fast. If you need help setting it up or want the tool, just contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss our next tutorials on Instagram automation.